Daily Manna. Why do you look at the speck of sawdust in your brother's eye and pay no attention to the plank in your own eye? For negativity, we tend to maximize others and minimize ourselves. Conversely, there is a tendency to minimize others and maximize oneself for positivity. This is a psychological self-protection mechanism. It's hard for me to know myself, and it's even harder for others to know me. Rather than interfering in others' business, be faithful to your own. Reflect on myself through others, and consider others through myself.